Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in alternative medicine with Herbalife step by step clearly. Begin by researching the alternative medicine sector, focusing on trends and demand for herbal products. Identify the specific Herbalife products that align with your interests in alternative medicine. Create a business plan outlining your investment strategy, including financial goals and market analysis. Review Herbalife's business model to understand how they operate and generate profits. Register as an independent Herbalife distributor to gain direct access to their products and resources. Attend training sessions and webinars offered by Herbalife to understand their philosophy and sales strategies. Connect with experienced Herbalife distributors to gain insights and tips from those already in the field. Start building your inventory by selecting a range of Herbalife products that appeal to your target market. Establish an online presence through social media or a personal website to promote your Herbalife offerings. Network with health and wellness professionals to broaden your contacts and enhance your credibility. Develop a marketing strategy that highlights the benefits of Herbalife products in the context of alternative medicine. Track your sales and customer feedback to assess which products perform best and adjust your inventory accordingly. Stay informed about new research and developments in alternative medicine that may impact your investment decisions. Evaluate your progress regularly, adjusting your strategies to capitalize on market trends and consumer preferences. Consider expanding your product range as you gain experience and confidence in the market. Remember to remain compliant with all regulations pertaining to health claims and marketing practices associated with alternative medicine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.